Hello everyone, this is Barak Nissim from VMware EUC practice in EMEA. What I want to show you in this video is about how to create or leverage Thinapp security for your RDS farm as part of VMware Horizon or different application publishing software out there. So in this demo I'm going to show you about how we can contain the application environment, its OS and registry, and all the calls from this application. And I will just start a demo. So I have here two prepackaged applications. One of them is Internet Explorer, and the other one is Notepad++. And the demo here is about showing you how I can secure the Explorer environment. That is, the user is getting to run his links or whatever. And in this demo I can show you that this is running on a server, so I need to secure it, and it's very annoying. So when I open the application, one big security breach about showing your application on a server is that a user can go in and just browse your computer. And what you can see here in this demo is that, of course, when the user is opening a packaged application, it will see a virtual OS and file system. And a simple demonstration of this is if the user saves some file, let's say I want to save this site on the hard disk, and then you can see that the physical environment is not changed. There is actually no files from the save process that the user did, and the user still runs his environment with the files that he created, but he never touched the physical OS, which keeps the physical OS very clean and not open for any issues of security. Another thing that the users or hackers or attackers usually use is using this function to open some kind of a command line. And although we don't block it by default, the user will open the command line inside the sandbox of the Thinapp. So if he goes to the C drive, you'll actually see the files inside those sandbox. So he's still living inside the sandbox. And of course, another feature of Thinapp that is actually very important for keeping this environment clean is that every time the user is closing the application and start it over again, it could be a new session on a different server or on the same server. If I run the Explorer again, you will actually see that it gets a full new environment. The old files are not here. Every time I run the application, it's a clean environment. So this is a very good way of securing an application, and of course each application has its own sandbox. So if I add another application to run on the same user, on the same server, and on the same session, I have these two applications. Each one of them has its own instance of a virtual file system. So if I go to see here, you will see I will not see a file. I can save a file here, and if I'll open up this one, I see that this file is not existing, and also it's existing here. So it's the same C drive, but we are virtualizing the file system. Same goes to the registry. So you can really keep these environments clean and not colliding. And of course, there are different features of Thinapp. You can create and manage links between applications, but in general, you can keep your environment very clean and secure and isolated using Thinapp in a very simple and easy way. This was a demo. Thank you very much. I was Barak Nissim.